Hey guys, so this is your practice and problem solving for Monday. We're going to be doing multiplication word problems and 3 by 2 digit multiplication. Okay, so here's your word problems. Now, here's the deal. If you are one of my remote kids, I gave you a packet of notebook paper. You need to get a piece of notebook paper out. But if you're one of Miss Brown's hybrid children, if you have clean sheet notebook paper, that's great. If you don't, you can use a scratch piece of paper or a computer piece of paper and just follow along. But just make sure that you're writing your answers neatly. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and number these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, now that you have your clean sheet and notebook paper, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half. Okay, so you get it fold it right down the middle. Commit to the fold. Unfold it, and you should have a nice little crease right there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to come over here, and you're going to write your first and last name on this line. If your first and last name will not fit, you can put your first name here and then your last name. So I'm going to put Riley Moore. I'm going to put the date, which is 10/26/2020. Math. Okay, now that's how you set up your sheet of paper. Anytime I say for my remote kids to set up your paper, this is how you would do it. You never write your name just up here. It goes on the lines. And for this right here, the title, the header, I'm going to come right here, and we're just going to put multiplication word problems. That's all you got to do. Now, we have 5 problems, so we're going to start off with number 1. So how you would do this, very simple. It says Cynthia went to the store 97 times last month, and she buys 54 marbles each time she goes to the store. How many marbles did Cynthia buy last month? So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to write the problem down. So our problem is going to be 97 times 54 equals what? So you're going to come right down here, skip the line, 97 times 54. And you're going to work the problem. Make sure your numbers are straight, make sure they're lined up, and make sure your numbers are written neatly. So, and you're just going to work the problem. 4 times 7 is 28. So put a 2. Drop our 8, carry our 2. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. Mark that out. Now, remember, we're going over to the tens place, so it's like we're saying 7 times 50. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 0 right here. And then 5 times 7 is 35, so put my 5 here. Kick up my 3. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 3 is 48. And now we just add. So we have 8. 8 and 5 just went blank. It's 13. Carry my 1. 8, 3 is 11, plus 1 is 12. 4 and 1. There we go. So you're just going to come right over here. Circle your answer. Come right over here, and you're going to put, how many marbles did she buy? Well, she bought 5,238 marbles. All right. So you're just going to continue doing this like with number 2. You'll write the problem thing. You'll probably have to write your number 4 over here, and that's fine. That's why we do the crease, so it lines everything up nice and neat. You do have to turn this paper in with your packet if you want to get credit for the day. Okay? That's why I gave you paper, and I want you to use the paper. So that's that. And we're going to move over to this. So here's the deal. You only have to do rows 2 and 4. You do not have to do the first one or the third one. Okay? Now, if I have kids that decide not to do either of it, I will start making you do the whole thing. So continue working, making sure you're trying your best, and just do your best, guys. That's all I can ask for. All right, good luck, and I'll talk to y'all again later.